Assembly and drawing design can begin with the 3D models collected from the engineers. This demonstration will walk you through the steps after receiving the completed parts. In assembly design, we can quickly assemble components using the mate function. CrownCAD's mate function includes mate standard, mate machine, and mate advanced. Users can select the appropriate type based on the specific requirements. Flexible assembly methods enhance the speed and efficiency of the assembly process. During assembly, if additional components are needed, users can search for them directly within the project and simply drag them into the assembly. Press CTRL while dragging a component to duplicate it, avoiding repetitive insertions and preventing incorrect model selection. Continue adding mates to the newly added components until the assembly is complete. In the drawing, drag and add drawing views from the view palette. Adjust the view scale appropriately and add relevant views such as section, auxiliary, and detail views to clearly show the key features of the model. After the design is complete, we can view the model structure through the Product Navigation function. The list view displays the model's inventory and related attributes, and the data can be directly exported to Excel for further review. This is how CrownCAD streamlines your design process. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing